What's up, Team Curlew? This is rapper Rosal King. So currently, in my shop right now, I'm a clothes store, and we finna take my son out to the pool right now. So, you know, it's Saturday, and we want to take a little break from the shop right now. So, I'm gonna take my son to the pool. See you soon.
Team Curlew, we on the way. What's up, Team Curlew? We about to get into the pool. We gonna start off into the big pool first, and we gonna go to the other side. I'm gonna try to teach my son how to swim. Anything you want to say?
Yeah, man, pool, we no fool. You know, they in the North Dakota side. Poof. See, boy, Monkey Tailor.
Wait.
It's someone that nickname a Monkey Tail.
It's cold.
This is the poolside.
It's cold.
Yeah, we ain't a fool, so we just make a one run come over the pool. It's my family them there.
Now go in the water and swim. And come back out. Ready, set, go.
Bully. What times? What up here sometimes?
Go. Flap your feet. Flap your feet.
Bully, man, bully. Woo.
You don't slow. Drop out of the water. You can't swim.
Ready?
Go. Daddy, you having fun? You having fun?
I'm having lots of fun.
Gang sides, gang sides. Full is gang side.
How tall do you have to go over there?
You gotta know how to swim. You have to know how to swim.
No, you can't swim on that water like a Buddha. You can't swim on that water like a Buddha. You can't do that. Watch out. Yo, go sit on that water, so. Buddha, watch.
Yeah, he's doing it. He's sitting on like a Buddha.
can stand up. You right, knock my lashes off.
What? Why did you bring lashes? Didn't I look good? Mom, take the shirt.
You can jump. You can jump way right here. But you
Full
can stand
flex,
up,
the
jump.
full flex.
I'm right here. Jump right there. Right there, jump. Because you can stand up. Don't jump in front of me. Jump right there. Jump. See? And you standing up. My big baby. Come on, mommy baby. Come on, mommy baby. Mommy big baby. Push through, baby, don't you cry. Don't buy you a mockingbird. Oh, y'all, get off me.
No.
You know it's rapper Rosal King. How many girls wanna take his clothes off him? Wanna put NJ shoes on the toes of him? Wanna come to America, North Dakota to see crazy flows of him? Yeah, what pool flexing idea that mad stuff.
Y'all gonna drown me.
Woo!
Big old kid. He can't even swim.
Oh, you know,
He can't even swim, y'all.
Big well. You know how to do the big well?
You know the big
You know how to do the big well? I'm gonna
TikTok, y'all know how to do the big well. Huh?
I'll show you how to do the big well. Ready? This is the big well.
This is the big well. Come over, somebody, let's see the big well about man. Let the people them see the big well like that.
No, big ones like this. Just like this, Dad. Like this. Ready?
You know the big well? Someone that talk about big well, bad man. Pool flex, the full flex, you know, we get around bad man, a darker crime, you know. One rapper Rosal King, you know, outside, no big America move.
You should go on the hot.
Be a cola flick out of my nose like a knot.
The cameras. You can't even see us.
Two camera me have turn on. One time gunman, you know, do the thing, man. TikTok one of their pan. Tap up his scream and snap up his scream, the family. Show them how pool flex. You know, see we're in the bad pool right now.
What you got? Let's go play with Daddy. Mommy over here.
See my wife right to say, dark skin. You know the dark skin, as a dark skin youth, you have to get a dark skin girl. And get some little dark skin pit. Pale little dark skin pit they jump round. So now my dark skin son, melanin. You know the bad melanin go down. Yeah, that. Today, yo, me just flick out of the shop a while ago. People, if somehow you never know, the big store or rapper them off right now, Royal Blue Fashion Boutique in here. You hear my friend? Yeah. Me just locked my store a while ago. And me and my family just come on the poolside, come on with a pool flex, no pool flex. You hear that? My little son, I can't really swim still.
I'm still learning.
You know, still learning. You still learning? You ain't talk? That's only little white boy. I'm still learning.
Still learning.
Come to your dad.
Come to your
Badness, man.
Ready, Mom?
Big up in a user 748415 1050280 again. That one I don't see no name, me no sister, but they say the user. Yo, 8 people that watch your live, bad man. I want to go on.
Keep walking over here.
Give me some tap on the screen. Tap the screen. Yo, TikTok. So my people them more help on TikTok and go on like their finger head, they hurt them bad man. Something wrong with their finger head. A simple thing in a bad man that goes up on the screen. Tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen.
You about to drown me. You about to drown me.
I'm gonna start tapping screen, right?
He tried to go under me and got stuck.
Little boy, man. Hey, little boy. Can I come a pool for turn pool now? The little boy, I feel like I can't come a pool for turn pool, man. How am I going to say?
The water touched your screen.
Man, make water touch my screen, bad man. Oh, a lucky thing, say. Yo, a lucky thing, say iPhone and a my phone, you know that.
I might as well take my
Yo.
phone now.
Man, make a big bunch of water touch my screen, my while like a lucky thing, say my phone, you know. And it's an iPhone, you know, bad man. The latest one, you know.
Not right in front.
You got it.
I hope the day have a water. He didn't even know.
We're having some family time right here.
Live on your phone. You're gonna be on live on your phone. So we can be like,
TikTok? Shit. Am my phone is up?
No, that's mine.
Karen, go for my phone, fast.
MC.
It give you more balance.
Ready, Bob? I'm gonna swim to you. No, I'm gonna swim to you. What are you doing? Don't jump in. Don't jump in. Because I'm gonna go that way. Dad, don't jump in. You're gonna break my back.
I'm gonna go like him a big swimmer, watch him.
Ladies, faster. Oh, yeah, the hand wet.
That's swimming. I'm using my legs. You're not using your legs. All right, Team Clever Lou, we back on the other side. We back on the same side, but they about to jump in. Ready? Set. Yay! I'm not jumping in.
Man.
I gotta do something. I know what to do.
What you doing?
I'm gonna do something good.
Full flex and a full flex.
He acting like a big old kid. Look at him.
Ready?
Kid, like a,
Ready?
look, he swimming with his feet is not moving. Wow.
Ready?
But go.
I want that man swim, sir.
What kind of swimming that is, y'all? Y'all tell me. Y'all drop them comments down below and tell me what kind of swimming is that. That is, well, you not swimming. What kind of swimming you doing? That's the Jamaican swimming? hey, that's how Jamaicans swim. Because that's not how you swim. Your feet not even moving. Bombo Club. Your feet not moving. Go, jump. Good job. But you still can't swim.
Huh?
But you still can't swim.
Me and my dad can't swim?
No, neither one of y'all.
You can't swim either.
He don't know how to
What
swim.
he did?
I'm holding the camera a certain type of way because I don't want to record anybody else. So that's how I'm. Look. Oh my God, he cannot swim. You want me to show you how to swim?
Oh, yes, sir.
Team Curlew, let me teach him how to swim because he don't use his feet. Terrence, don't go. Where you going? Where's you going?
Bad man, I move, I move.
Come on. Let's go on the other side. Come on. All right. it's cold. Karen, still get your slides. We're gonna go to the other side. And we're gonna stay over there for a minute. It seems like all the kids done came over here.
I'm gonna run over there.
Karen, you're not gonna run.
Huh?
You're not gonna run. Fat boy.
You're not gonna run, you hear, boy?
Team Curlew, we about to have family night. I ordered some pizza and some brownies, and I'm actually doing our own wings, as you can see. Naked wings. And we're gonna have a family night. We're gonna sit down and watch movies, and we're gonna bring y'all along on a journey. So just lay around. We just left from the pool, so now I'm here cooking. So just lay around for it. Team Curlew, we out. Curlew. A day with the Curlews. We just went to the pool. Now I made us some homemade wings. Got us some Papa John pizza with some brownies. Open that pizza up and we about to eat. There go the brownies. Woo, that look good, right? These my special wings. I made honey hot wings right there. And that's the pizza. Y'all dig in. Oh, let me get y'all some plates. Grab them plates over there, son. Right there. Baby. You ready?
Yeah.
Bring the whole thing. Here go you a plate. Here go your daddy a plate. Y'all dig in. Look at them. They so hungry they couldn't wait till I finish the wings, y'all. Look at them. Terrence, watch what you doing. Get some wings. Get some wings first. You gotta get some wings first. Look at him. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at him. Y'all hungry? Y'all hungry like that? How my wings taste? My son say they busting. Look, he dropping food. Then I fell in his lap. Oh gosh. How that food taste, son?
Bussin'.
All right, Team Curlew, I'm out. I'm gonna try me a little taste of pizza. I can't eat too much, but I won't do too much. We out.